My very first deal, I lost every dime I had, and I didn't have the role of say an agent. And so now, now with yours and my perspective of real estate, I tend to think that a great mentor is an agent that actually knows what they're doing within that community. There's a mutual benefiting relationship, and the amount of wisdom that I had on my second deal when I approached a real estate agent that really genuinely knew what they were doing, was helped me out greatly. And so for those searching for mentorship and are struggling with that, when you find someone that is actually genuinely a great agent within that industry and knows what you want and will give you the time, those relationships are a great starting point of building relationships, because again, rock stars hang with rock stars. You talked about your lender within the industry that knows, I believe she was the one that was giving you the 1 to 3% closing costs as a perk, and the right people, the people that actually close. The reason that the builders trust these people is because they know they're going to close, and that's why they give that perk. So yeah, just all around, you find a great mentor like an agent, which we promote as the first person you should find is a great agent. Rock stars hang with rock stars. They'll plug you in with everyone else, and that is the ultimate idea of mentorship, is finding people to be able to plug you into the right people.